Do you want to check product reviews on Allegro? Let me show you how easy it is to do so. All you have to do, guys, is simply find a product on Allegro. I'm going to just scroll down and find a product that has some reviews. And let's take this product for example. Now, as you can see towards the bottom of the product details here, you can see that it shows how many ratings of star this product has. And beside it, it shows some numbers. Those numbers simply represents the product reviews or rating. So if I go ahead and I click on this product and it takes me over to the product page, you will see it shows the ratings. Now, if you look towards the right hand side of that ratings, you will see reviews. Normally, when you see a product that has ratings, most likely those products also contains reviews as well. Now to check the reviews, all you have to do is just simply click on the reviews and it's going to show you the reviews of the product. Now, as you can see here, it currently shows the product reviews. And as this website is not officially an English language website, I would recommend to you, if it's not showing in English, just simply right click and try to translate in English or whichever language you want to. Now, from here, you can go ahead and you can do the classification of those reviews, or you can simply go ahead and choose between reviews that are for certain ratings. So if you want to see only 5-star rating, you can go ahead and you can choose. If you want to see only the poorest ones, you can do so as well. Now, I want to see all ratings, and as well from here, you can see from the oldest and the newest reviews. And from here, you can just go ahead and filter between the oldest or the most recent reviews. So guys, if you're looking to check product reviews, this is how you can easily go ahead and check those product reviews. As I said, if you're checking product reviews and it's not showing in English, you can always right click and translate to English or whichever language of your choice, and you should be able to see reviews that are currently written in English language, or you can go ahead and use it to translate reviews in that particular language. But that's how easy it is, guys, to actually check product reviews on Allegro. Hope you found this useful, and if you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below. If you have any question on top of that, guys, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.